नमस्कार, आपका मेरे चैनल पर फिर से स्वागत है। आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल, यू आर प्रैक्टिसिंग एंड यू आर सीइंग द प्रोग्रेस इन योर लाइफ लाइक दैट. कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग, कीप शाइनिंग. दिस वीडियो इज़ ऑन सुपर ब्रेन योगा. ये वीडियो सुपर ब्रेन योगा के बारे में है, लाइक कैसे प्रैक्टिस करना है. एंड बिफोर प्रैक्टिसिंग, लाइक प्रैक्टिस करने से पहले ये ज़रूरी है कि लाइक आप अपने आप को बेहतर जानते हैं, तो डोंट प्रैक्टिस इट टू मच, राइट. आपको जितना लाइक डू इट एट योर कंफर्ट, राइट. अगर आप बहुत लंबे टाइम से कोई प्रैक्टिस नहीं कर रहे हो, एक्सरसाइज नहीं कर रहे हो, तो डोंट गो लाइक आज ही करना है सब कुछ. ऐसा नहीं होता, राइट. what you do once in a while, that doesn't like really creates an impact in your life. What you do regularly, what you do in consistent basis, that thing, like that plays a bigger role, right. That creates a bigger impact in your life, right. So practice consistently and then level up, right. Like if you are a beginner, then you can practice it for 3 times, right. 3 times will be more than enough, that done, right. For 1 week you practice it only 3 times, right. अगर आप पहली बार कर रहे हैं तो फिर पहले हफ्ते पूरे 7 दिन यू हैव टू प्रैक्टिस, लाइक 3 ही बार करें, ज़्यादा करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This exercise is helpful in building your strength, like Shakti, Sharirik Shakti, building your concentration, mental power, concentration. It improves your concentration, memory. So practice and then feel the difference, right. केवल जानने से नहीं होगा, प्रैक्टिस करेंगे तभी इसका इम्पैक्ट, राइट. इफ़ यू विल प्रैक्टिस, देन ओनली यू विल बी एबल टू सी द इम्पैक्ट इन योर डे टू डे लाइफ, राइट. So how to do? So it's very important that you do it right. So इसके लिए दोनों पैर के बीच में, right, make sure there should be 1 foot gap between both the legs, right. तो दोनों पैर के बीच में एक sufficient, एक पैर का distance होना चाहिए. उसके बाद right, be straight, right, look straight, right. उसके बाद after that, right, with your hands, right, with your right hands hold your left ears, and when you will hold your left ear, so आपके thumb बाहर की तरफ, right, your thumb should be on the front side and index finger at the back, right. When you will hold it like this, hold your left ear with your right hand, right, and then right ear with your left hand, same process. thumb बाहर की तरफ और पकड़ के इसको थोड़ा सा प्रेस करना है, right. एंड देन अब ब्रीदिंग प्रॉपर होनी चाहिए, राइट. आप चाहें तो आंखें बंद कर सकते हैं, राइट. फॉर द बेस्ट एक्सपीरियंस आंखें बंद कर लें और सांसें लेते हुए, लाइक वाइल इनहेलिंग सिट डाउन एंड वाइल एक्सहेलिंग स्टैंड अप, right. This is 1 time. If you are practicing for the first time, just do this 3 rounds and then you are done. Right. Second, while inhaling, सांस लेते हुए नीचे की तरफ बैठ जाना है, सांस लेते हुए ऊपर आना है, सांस छोड़ते हुए ऊपर आना है. सांस लेते हुए बैठ गए, सांस छोड़ते हुए ऊपर. Right. While inhaling, sit down, and while exhaling, stand up. Right. And then when you are done, just slowly open your eyes and relax there. You can either lie down in Shavasana for better relaxation, right. So if you are a beginner, you are starting for the first time, just get into the position, right. 1 foot gap between the legs and hold your left ear with your right hands and right ear with your left hands, and while inhaling, sit down, and while exhaling, stand up. Don't change the breathing pattern. This is the breathing pattern. So when you will practice for 1 week, like 2-3 weeks, you will start to feel the difference in your body, brain, and you will see more of brain body coordination improving in your life. So like that, right? Keep practicing, right? And maintain proper, if you are feeling any kind of fatigue, right? Practice more of relaxative asanas first. Build your strength using relaxative practices, pranayama, right? And then slowly start to, right, do this super brain yoga, right? If you are suffering from any type of knee problem, then you should avoid doing it. If you have any kind of injury, you should avoid doing it. Otherwise, if you have no such injury, uh, start practicing, right? Start practicing. You'll start to see a great difference in your life if you practice it consistently, right? It's not like once in a while you will practice and you will say, oh, what? Nothing will happen if you'll practice in once in a while, right? Only consistent practice. Even if you practice 3 times, that's enough, right? Make sure you are the, like, empty stomach, best results, right? Practice it in the morning and then practice it in late evening, right, before your dinner, right? That will be very helpful. Like that, start adding different yoga asanas, right? Pick your own and start practicing it. You'll start to see the difference. Okay, then thank you for watching. If you like it, share it, comment. Thank you.